Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can show toaster notification in Laravel when you delete, update or insert any data. So this is really simple. So first of all, here you can see we are in GitHub where we have the Toastr package, and I'll give this link in the description. You can just check it out. So here, if you go down here, you can see in order to install the package, all you need to do is you need to copy this command and run it in your project directory. So the command is composer require unius toaster. So let me just copy this, Control C, and right now we'll go to our project directory. So this is my project. So I will open a command prompt here. Let me just zoom in, and here we'll paste the command which is composer require unius/toaster, and then if we press enter, it will start installing required things for toaster. So right now I'll just fast forward the video. So here you can see the installation is complete and the toaster version is 2.3. This is the current version. So right now if we just go back to our project source code, and if you now go to our composer.json, here you will see Toastr package added over here and the version is 2.3. So it means Toastr is successfully installed in our Laravel project. So right now, in order to show Toastr notification, we only need to write a single line of code in our controller. We do not need to do anything in the blade file or view. We just need to write the message in our controller. So here you can see Toastr error message, oops, something went wrong, or here you can see before return redirect back, we just need to mention the toaster message. For example, let me just copy this one, Control C, and let me just go to my project. And let's say we want to show a message over here when we delete a certain data. We want to show a toaster notification when we delete a data. So for it, let me just go to my app, HTTP, then controller, and inside controller we have home controller, and from here we are basically deleting the data. So here, in order to delete the data, we are basically using this function delete underscore product. So here you can see delete, data delete. So after this, we'll just paste the toaster message, which is this one, which we just copied from here. Toaster error, that's fine. For now, let's just copy it and we'll paste it over here. Since we already installed Toaster in our Laravel project, so once we delete the data, it will automatically show the Toaster message. So let me just save it and let me just refresh here. Let's delete this one, click delete, then click OK. Here you can see the message showing over here. Here you can see error, oops, something went wrong, the message. So right now, let's just show the proper message. For example, if we go down here, you can see other options. This is the warning, this is the success message, this is the error message, this is also the success message, and here you can see timeout is mentioned over here. It means 5000 means notification or the message will show for 5 seconds. So let me just copy this, Control C. Then let me just go back to my code and let me remove this message and paste the success message. Let's say data has been deleted successfully. Congrats. Save this. Then let's refresh again. Let's delete this data. Click delete. Then click OK. And there you can see. And this message will show for 5 seconds. There you go. And if you want to change the time duration, just change it over here. You can make it 10,000 seconds or 2 seconds, 2000, whatever you want. And there is one more option over here. You can see Toaster info, welcome back. That data has been saved successfully. Warning, are you want to proceed? So you can try those out by yourself. And there is few other optional thing that if you want to modify or if you want to add them, you can do that as well. But this is basically the basics of how you can add Toaster notification in your Laravel project. You can do the same thing when you are updating or uploading any data. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe. I really appreciate that. And I hope to see you in the future tutorials.